Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sebastian and this is Sab on Cars, the channel where we react to everything to do with cars. I have a very exciting video today. Matt from Carwow has decided he's going to race two VAG cars. So there's two different ways you can go about things in life. If you got money, you can go and get a Lambo, or you can buy a sedan, an unassuming sedan, and tune the wheels off it, you know? Just tune it to the moon. So this is actually what's happening right now. There's a tuned S4 Audi against a Huracan Evo. Should be interesting. Should be interesting. All that money that VAG spends to develop the Huracan, can it be offset by a tuner in a shed who's just really good at software and a sedan? The regulator like a regular A4. You get what I'm saying. So let's waste no more time and get straight into this video. And let me fix my stuff. And let's go.
Well, we're winning a drag race between a Audi S4 that's been tuned and a Lamborghini Huracan Evo. To remember which one it was. Anyway, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. Come on, Audi! I'm Matt Watson and I'm very forgetful. Let me tell you about this Audi S4. So it has a 3-litre V6 with a single turbo, and normally that engine puts out 350 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. Boring! The one in this car has been tuned by awesome GTI. They've put about 8 grand's worth of mods on it. Hybrid turbos, intake, intercooler, blah, 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 blah. Result though, 560 horsepower, 840 newton meters of torque.
Supercar power.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Still got the same gearbox, so it's an 8-speed auto with a sort of launch control system, and the car weighs the same. I want to say 1.8 tons. Let's find out if I'm right. Like Jack, what is the weight of the Audi?
It's 1.7 tons, Matt.
I think I was wrong. I said 1.8, didn't I? Let's find out about the Lamborghini from its driver. Whoever's in the Lamborghini, can you talk to me?
Hello, it's Rory. Hello.
Oh, hello, Rory. You okay?
Love
Very
Rory.
well, yeah. I'm sat in a Lamborghini, so it's a good day.
You do realise, Rory, you are basically like the 4th string presenter, aren't you? If we don't have Yanni, we've got Sam, or vice versa.
Oh,
and
we
then we have
miss
Nick
Yanni.
if we don't have either of those. And if Nick's doing something, which he is right now, then we end up with you.
It's a long subs bench before I get involved, yeah. But no, happy to be here, of course.
Listen, don't tell the others, but you're actually my favourite, okay?
And I've got a new improved Achilles now as well, so should be better at drag racing, because I'll have a better reaction on the throttle, I think.
Wait a minute, actually, so people won't know what he's talking about. Roy's just had an operation on his Achilles tendon.
Oh.
He was not supposed to be driving for, I thought it was like 6 months or something, but are you sure you're supposed to be driving?
Yeah, I think it's good for the Achilles, this. It's kind of strengthening it, I think. I think that's what the doctor said to me, yeah.
How long ago did you have this operation done?
I had it done 5 weeks ago today. I'm feeling good. Feeling like I might win today, actually.
But the last time I saw you in the office, you had one of those special boots on your right foot, and now you're drag racing and brake testing, well, someone else's supercar.
Yeah, I might hand myself back into the hospital with some sort of test case for the human race, because I have improved pretty quickly.
Anyway, right. Oh, we forgot. What? Give me the stats on your car.
So yeah, I'm in the Huracan Evo, so the glorious 5.2 litre naturally aspirated V10, one of the best engines ever. It's got 640 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque. It has a 7-speed dual clutch gearbox, and the power goes to all 4 wheels in this one. It's 1,422 kilograms, but that's the old dry weight from Lamborghini. In reality, probably more like 1,600, I guess. And the price is quite a lot. It's just shy of £200,000 for this one.
Okay, that's really interesting. This car with the mods is £24,000, but then it is a 2018 car with 72,000 miles on the clock. Anyway, if you want to compare the stats of these cars, pause your video because we're putting them up now side by side on screen for your perusal.
Yeah,
Good.
Stats.
Now, if you like these kind of drag races and you haven't done so already, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Now though, let's do the customary carwow sound check. So Rory, I'm going to go first because this sounds awesome. You ready?
Woo. V6. And it revs all the way.
Now, a lot of cars wouldn't beat the sound of this one, but I think yours might. So go on, rev it up.
All hail the V10.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Yeah, it doesn't get a lot better than that, to be honest.
Yeah, that's one for you, I think. But let's get into this drag race and see if things change.
Let's go. Tuner versus manufacturer. Oh, S4 off the line.
Come on, Lamborghini!
Woo! The Lambo sounds better. Way better. That S4 is hauling ass. Woo, it's coming.
Well then, Rory, that is 1-0 to me.
Yeah, I mean, I think I nailed that launch. The bog was a massive bog. You'd won it, fair play.
Feels quick though, this. I really like the power delivery. Feels brilliant. Gotta say, if you got one of these cars and you want to turn it into an absolute weapon, this is a mod worth doing. Wow.
3.
Let's go. Oh, that's better. That looks better.
That was a good one.
Nope. 800 Newton meters of torque. Whoa.
Come on, Audi!
Supercar. Come on, Supercar. It's a power to weight right
Ooh. Literally no idea. First things first. Let's check
S4?
with the stewards that no one jumped the start.
We've looked at the footage and it looks fine.
Okay, next question then is to you, Rory. How was your launch?
I don't think I can come off the brake much earlier because then I actually will jump. I felt like we got away exactly the same time. We both didn't jump. This bogged again, unfortunately. You got away from me and then I reeled you in and I might have beat you on the line, but I honestly couldn't tell you. That was an amazing race and I still can't believe that's an S4.
I don't know who won that race. Now what we could do is just go, it is what it is, and we'll let the action replay decide. Or we can try another race.
No.
What should we do?
I'm almost tempted to just say, put it to the slow motion replay, to be honest, put it to the finish cam.
Well, that's what Roy wants to do. Let's do that. Over to the slow motion action replay to find out who won.
Who won?
So then what exactly happened? Well, the slow motion replay reveals that the Audi
S4
won by the narrowest of margins. However, both it and the Lamborghini completed the standing quarter mile in 11.1. What we're going to do now is have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars are in just automatic modes for their gearboxes and in normal kind of road setting for the engine and performance. Okay, here's 50. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. This kicked down real quick.
No replacement for displacement.
So does his car.
V10 takes this one.
Nope. He got me.
That's comfort mode. Oh,
He got me good. Easy win for you. I didn't think your gearbox would kick down so quick actually, but it did.
It did. I'm in Strada, which I think means street, does it? My Italian's not very good, but it kicked down really quickly actually, and I was off. So yeah, really impressive.
Okay, yeah. So I think I'm going to have an advantage with the next race. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. Ready?
let's see now.
3, 2,
Come on,
1,
Tuner.
go.
Come on,
I'm gonna have
Tuner.
it. What?
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
I was busy saying I'm going to have him. Think I was going to enjoy all the turbo torque. And it gone.
And that's why they cost so much. That is
So
why they cost so much. Hey, it's walking away. It's just walking away. Oh,
What?
yes.
Were you in third gear then?
Yeah, I promised third gear, and I think I was level. This thing absolutely flies once you're up in those revs. It's amazing.
Damn. I thought that was going to be a win for me, but I shouldn't be so smug, should I? I'm presumptuous. Got that one wrong. Okay, now we're going to have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. The car which stops in the shortest...
Let's stop it right there. I don't care about brake tests. I don't care. Stop. Yeah. I don't care about brake tests. Guys, this is why companies spend hundreds of millions hundreds of millions to develop a car. This is just proof. But also in the same sentence, I am impressed. From a dig, the S4 actually boogies. It just shifts. It shifts. I mean, it costs half the price of the Lambo, probably even with the mods. You go get yourself an S4, get it tuned. Also, it has 800 Newton meters. Come on. Get it tuned to that power, and you're rivaling supercars. This might be a baby Lambo, but it's still a Lambo. It is still a purebred supercar, a fire-breathing V10 supercar, right? And a V6 turbo can sort of keep up. Obviously, if you don't meet this car on the N3 on the freeway, you can, show it a bit of beats if it's robot to robot. I am highly impressed. The guys who tuned this car did an awesome job. Right? Guys, what would you do? What would you pick? Would you spend your money on a sleeper sedan, or just go balls to the wall, give me the supercar? That's what I want. It's already fully maxed out. Don't need to put anything on it, maybe change the rims. But I think there is some sort of a reward from getting a regular car and making it go supercar fast. And guys, give me your opinion at the bottom. And until the next video,